Wouldn't it be ironic if Jimmy were here?
If Jimmy was here, that'd be pretty weird.
Yep.
Yeah, it would. He'd just kind of be like talking nonstop and throwing some perverted joke here and there, you know.
Where's Jimmy seen this?
I don't know.
Speechless!
Probably.
I did splits today and it really hurt. I didn't try to do them either.
Nice.
Like my everything from the waist down is like, oh. How's the music in the background?
Pretty interesting.
Isn't it? It was an old band that Jesse McCartney started in. Don't they all sound like chicks?
Yeah.
Okay, new song. I do like my book. Full mouth.